Have you noticed how everyone easily connects with this brand? Some say it's all about the user experience. That's true, but you know what? They have a superpower. That superpower connects people with their brand. But wait, what's the superpower? It's brand identity. Yes, you heard it right, brand identity. Some of people mixed up logo and brand identity. It may seem controversial, but in simple words, if a logo is like superhero, brand identity is the superpower. In this video, I am going to show how to create this superpower like of this brand. Here is an overview of each step that we will go through when creating the brand. So if you are ready to turn the brand building process into memorable journey, hit play and let's get started. This test is all about understanding the business goal, their mission values, researching into the target audience and competitors, and giving design solutions. Picture the project brief like our treasure map. We are on mission to uncover the business goal, problem identify, design solutions, and adding a value. Now, before starting the design journey, after reading the project brief, as a designer, my responsibility is to add some keyword or note, anything that is running around in my mind. At the start of our journey, the first step is to understand and gather clear knowledge about the project. This section will assist me on my journey. Now for this section, find some related images for this project and create a mood board. I always prefer two mood boards. The first one for generating and builds a brand story, and the second one for creating a cool design. Mood boards help generate creative and unique ideas, similar to finding unsolved puzzle pieces. Visit some online platform and find the creative puzzle pieces. It's a lengthy process, so you can enjoy a coffee during this time. After completing the mood board, it's time to connect them to each other and build a story. Then, it's time to sketch and scratch out some ideas. But remember, before doing this, always focus on every detail of the line art. I made a sketch for this project. If you are comfortable with that, go ahead. Otherwise, feel free to try sketch approach. Now it's time to create our superhero. We are in next step of our adventure. This is the part every designer wants to do with their favorite tool. In this video, I will be designing using Adobe Illustrator, which is another one of my favorite software tools. Here is the artboard where we are going to design. Now drag my scratch art and create the final superhero, I mean the logo. A cool logo is super important. It helps people remember a brand, makes it look professional and stand out from others. It's like a brand's special mark that shows what they are all about. So it's not just a picture, it's like a superhero for a brand, making people like it and remember it. Okay, we can see our superhero is ready, but what? Something is missing? I think we have already guessed. It's about color and typography. By the way, we have completed another step of our adventure. In my experience, in visual looking of a brand is a very important step, and this often proves to be the most challenging part for designers. If you don't pick it right, it can make your superhero like this. Now the question is how to solve this and choose the perfect color and typography. It's a crucial part, therefore I will provide you with some quick tips. If you are a new designer, this will be helpful. First, analyze your competitor's branding color and choose one. After selecting a color, conduct research on this background, significance and meaning. Establish a connection between the color with your brand and product. If everything matches well, that's the perfect color. If it doesn't match, choose another color and conduct further research. In this step, I selected the first color and researched it. Here we have color black and white. Considering our project brief and the understand our main target audience is adult, especially in the 18 to 34 age range. Black and white seems like a good choice. Bright color are generally preferred for kid and teenager. Moreover, observing some brand in the same niche, the most popular ones also use black and white. There's connection between these colors. Now, after finishing the color part, let's move on to the typography. Typography in a logo is like giving us a super things. It makes the brand name look special, cool and easy to remember, just like a superhero as a unique costume. The typography in a logo gives the brand its own special style. So it's not just letters, it's the superhero look makes the brand stand out and to be remembered. In this project, I require a modern font. With the help of ChatGPT, I found free modern fonts. I choose Poppins because it's one of my favorites. We can see our logo is slightly rounded, but this font is sharp. To maintain balance in the brand identity, I decided to make my font rounded. I also implement additional visual changes. As we observe the logo, it is based on the letter B. If we explore the story behind our superhero, we realize that B is not just a letter, it carries a deeper meaning. My primary motivation in creating this B is to establish a connection with the audience. B's represent the personality of our audience, including both men and women. To highlight this, I made some design changes, merging two B letters together. This design signifies one is male and another is female. We have reached the final stage of our adventure. We have created the superhero and its superpower, but did we forget something? That's the superhero costume, mockup. A mockup helps see how the logo will look on different things like shirts or sign. It's like trying on your superhero outfit to make sure it looks super cool and works perfectly before showing it on everyone. And it helps provide a real-time user experience. Remember, when designing a mockup, make sure to incorporate the brand color and typography. After finishing the costume for our superhero with his superpower, it's time to showcase our superhero story. Now I am going to discuss the final step of our adventure. Our superhero logo is the start of the most incredible adventure, and we have made sure it looks absolutely fantastic by trying it on different things with a mockup. But the adventure doesn't stop there. It's time to show the whole story to everyone through a presentation. We are not only showcase our superhero logo, but also reveal why it's not just cool but incredibly special. It has its own superpower that make it stand out. So that's it all about brand identity and branding. I'm just trying to help you understand the background and process of the brand identity. Check out this project. I have provided link in the description. Alright, if you want to chat or work on a cool project together, I am waiting for you. Contact details are provided in this video description. Until then, stay awesome and see you in the next one.